How the World Really Works, and Uinops Guide to Our Past, Present, and Future. Day 1. Welcome to Day 1 of our journey to understanding how the world really works. This guide aims to provide clear and simple insights into the complex systems that shape our lives. Let's start with some foundational concepts. Understanding history. To understand the present and predict the future, we must first look at the past. History is more than just dates and events, it's a story of how humans have interacted with each other and their environment. Here are some key points. 1. Civilizations. Human history is marked by the rise and fall of civilizations. From ancient Egypt to the Roman Empire, each civilization has contributed to the development of technology, culture, and governance. 2. Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries drastically changed the way we live. It brought about advancements in manufacturing, transportation, and communication, laying the foundation for the modern world. 3. World Wars. The two world wars in the 20th century reshaped global politics and economies. They led to the creation of international organizations like the United Nations, aimed at preventing future conflicts. The present world. Today, we live in a highly interconnected and rapidly changing world. Here are some major aspects of our current reality. 1. Globalization. Advances in technology and transportation have made the world more connected than ever. Goods, services, and information flow across borders with ease, creating a global economy. 2. Technology. The digital revolution has transformed every aspect of our lives. The internet, smartphones, and social media have changed how we communicate, work, and entertain ourselves. 3. Environmental challenges. Climate change, deforestation, and pollution are pressing issues that require global cooperation. Understanding these challenges is crucial for finding sustainable solutions. Looking to the future. Predicting the future is always challenging, but we can make educated guesses based on current trends. Here are some possibilities. 1. Technological advancements. Technologies like artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and renewable energy have the potential to solve many of our current problems and create new opportunities. 2. Global cooperation. To tackle global issues like climate change and pandemics, nations will need to work together more closely than ever before. International organizations and agreements will play a key role. 3. Social changes, demographic shifts, urbanization, and changes in work patterns will shape future societies. Understanding these trends can help us prepare for the changes ahead. Conclusion. By studying our past, understanding our present, and anticipating future trends, we can better navigate the complexities of our world. This guide aims to provide you with the knowledge and tools to do just that. Join us tomorrow for Day 2, where we'll delve deeper into the forces shaping our world today.